Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this rubber seal on Lexus NX300. Okay, for this rubber seal, first we need to take off the door panel, remove the weather strip, and the trick is you can warming up, but this is double side taped all the way, so I just pulling down and all the way pulling down, and the double side tape very slowly just come off and is reusable. So after we need to keep some nice dust free area. You need to pay little attention, just doing slowly. Good. So the last section is two-way double side taped, so just pull nicely, slowly, and then will come off, and we are done. We don't need cleaning the double side tape, and we can reuse the old double side tape. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.